this clip, we'll be slicing the French bread.
I'll slice the bread into about 1 inch thick slices. I like French bread because it's got a nice thick outer crust, and then the inner layers can be a little bit more soft, and because we'll be toasting it, that'll give it a really nice flavor. And then from here, I'm just going to place it a single layer on the baking sheet. So you'll want about 6 slices of bread. I've preheated the oven to about 425, and I'm going to put the bread in, baking it until it's nice and dry. That's probably going to take somewhere around 25 minutes.